Hi everyone, it's Emily here with Splash Pool and Spa in Cedar Rapids, bringing you another episode of Splashy segments. I'm joined by Ashley and Taylor, two of our retail extraordinaires here in our retail department. And we're talking about a tip or, a topic that we've been getting a lot of questions about from our customers this time of year. Ashley, what are we talking about today?
Yeah, we're talking about folks that are traveling and what to do with your hot tub when you are traveling.
So 'tis the season. We know a lot of people are traveling this time of year, going to see Grandma, Uncle Jim, maybe just going, somewhere warm to kick back and relax. The last thing you want to come home to is a hot tub that is not usable for a variety of reasons. So what we're talking about today is how to set yourselves up for success when you're leaving on those vacations.
Yeah. Yep.
Now, when we talk about vacations, we're not talking about leaving for maybe half a day or something like that. What's that timeline that we really want to be keeping in mind?
Yeah, about 2 to 3 days or so.
Okay, so if you're leaving for 2 to 3 days or more, make sure that you add these steps to your kind of pre-vacay list and check them off your list. So step one, Ashley, what do they need to do?
Okay, so if you've been following us for a while, you know that we want you to keep your chlorine at about 1 to 3 parts per million. We're actually going to bring it up a little bit higher. We're going to do 3 to 5. That's still a very safe, healthy level, but it does give you a little cushion in case things do go a little sideways.
Got it. So normally you'd have your tub at 1 to 3, but since you're going to be gone, bump it up a little bit, 3 to 5 parts per million on your chlorine.
Yep.
Second step.
Okay, second step. I have a cartridge here. You've seen this, you know this, you love this. We are going to take whatever cartridge you have in there for chlorine, take it out, set it to the side. You can continue to use it when you get back, but put a brand new one in. That way you've got your complete peace of mind to know that you are not going to run out of chlorine.
Yeah, so just in case it would happen to run out while you're gone, now you've covered that. Throw a new one in. Get it done.
You're good.
All right, so that's chlorine and cartridges, our first 2 steps. Taylor, what's next?
So the next thing is to have a proper water level. That's going to ensure that your water will still flow and still heat. If it's too low, that might not happen. So you want to make sure that all of your jets are covered.
Okay, so make sure that you have that ideal water level before you go. Might have to throw the hose in and add a little bit.
Just top it off. Yep.
Top it off. All right, next step.
The next thing is to have your filter or filters cleaned. So whether that's day of, day before, make sure that that's on the list as well. Clean filters always help too.
Okay, so 4 steps that we've covered: chlorine, cartridges, water level, and clean filters. You'll want to make sure you have those crossed off your list before you leave. The last thing that you can do for extra peace of mind is
Spa sitter.
do you have a spa sitter in your life? If not, we can help. But really what we mean by that is, someone that can come over and check on the tub. That could be simply, making sure that it's powered on still.
Yeah, we want to make sure it's heating and it's running.
Yeah, the last thing you want is for that tub to, for whatever reason, not be running at all while you're gone, especially with Iowa winters.
Yeah.
So your tub can run about 2 to 3 days, given there aren't any anomalies in weather, some weird stuff. We've seen some of those lately. But in case none of those happen, about 2 to 3 days. They're insulated really well, so they are meant to hold and maintain heat, even if they're not running for about 2 to 3 days.
Yep. Yeah, so that spa sitter, though, you want them to come over, make sure the tub's running. What else? Do they need to do anything else?
I think water chemistry is fine. We've kind of touched on that. So, but obviously if they're there, double check the water level.
Yeah.
Too, if it's gone down any, just top it off.
And we offer spa concierge services. We can be your spa sitters while you're gone. We can certainly help you set up an appointment with our service department, and we will take care of that for you, give you complete peace of mind while you're away. Happy to do that. If you have any other questions about what you should do for your, to maintain your tub while you're gone, as always, give us a call, 200-7665, or stop in the store. We're at 5454 Center Point Road, Northeast in Cedar Rapids. Till next time, see you later. And Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas. Oh my.
Use that as your instrument.
I don't know. All right. Someone's got to stand.
I felt weird holding that.
Instrument.
That's going on the bloopers.